सूरह बकरा आयत नंबर 6 to 8 पारा 1। अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। I seek refuge in Allah from the accursed shaitan, devil. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, most merciful. Innal lazina kafaru. Certainly those who disbelieve. Sawa'un alayhim. It is all the same for them. Anzartahum am lam tunzirhum. Wherever, O Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, warn them or do not warn them. La yu'minun. They will not believe. Khatamallahu ala qulubihim. Allah has set a seal upon their hearts. Wa ala sam'ihim. And upon their hearing. Wa ala absarihim ghishabah. And over their vision is a veil. Walahum azabun azim. And for them there is a great punishment. Waminan nasi man yaqulu amanna billahi wa bil yawmil akhiri. And amongst people there are also some who say we believe in Allah and the last day. Wama hum bimu'minin. While they are not at all believers. Sadaqallahul azim. Allah Almighty has spoken the truth.